Hey everybody, so this is Ruben Restrepo, and today I want to show you how to do the half Windsor knot. The cool thing about the half Windsor knot is it's a bit of a thicker knot than the four-in-hand knot. It's number 2 of the big 3. The third one will be the Windsor, and I'll show you that in another video. Now, the long version, the thicker version, will be here, and then you have the short version. Now, it tends to be kind of a thick knot, and so since it takes up a little bit more real estate of the tie, then in order to make sure that it comes down correctly, you want to have a little bit shorter version of the smaller side than you did in four-in-hand. So, but it's the same thing. Smaller side on the bottom, bigger side on the top. And instead of going this way like we did on the four-in-hand, we're actually going to go through, up through, so we're going up. Now we're going down, then behind, right? It's going to be taut to this way. Now we're going to go and create a loop. So we're going to keep our hands up, and then we're going to go under again, right? Now it's up, but now we're going to go through the loop, okay? And you're going to do a continuous loop adjustment. And you see how it's kind of straight, a lot straighter than the four-in-hand, right? That's essentially what you're doing. And if you gotta adjust it, just go like that, pull it down. Now, one of the things that you gotta be careful for is you wanna have a bit of a dimple. So in order to have the dimple, what you're gonna do is you're going to create the dimple by pressing at the top and pressing at the bottom, and then you're going to pull, right? Now we have a nice dimple. And then you just cinch it up, right? Fold your collar. Now, depending on your tie, you might not be able to go through the loop. Now this tie will be able to go through the loop because of the length that I did. So, it will go right there. You put a nice tie clip, it's gonna look perfect. This is a great tie, it's thicker. So if you have a kind of a thicker lapel, a wider spot, helps you with those ties. It works great with if you just want a thicker knot, especially with like a skinny tie. If it's a thicker tie, it's also going well if you want a thicker knot, but not so big as the actual full Windsor. Big guys, it's also pretty good as well. Well, that's it for this one. Please tell me what you thought about it. Tell me of any tie knots that you guys want to see. The next one will be the full Windsor. That's the granddaddy of them all. So this is Ruben Restrepo signing off, so keep watching.